One of the things I will need to do is change where this outlet is. None of this is live, so I am going to actually drill a hole higher up because this is where the countertop's going to go. And right now where this is just totally in the way, but there is not a lot of wire to play with to move it any further past that. So I am going to drill another hole and move it up a little higher so it's not going to interfere and be right in the middle of a countertop. I'll be moving this. I mean, we've thought about putting it a little higher up here so it won't interfere and give us a few more inches. So I bought something to drill a hole because as it was, the length of the wire would not allow it to go any higher. Then I got to looking at it and I thought, why don't I just relocate this thing to the other side? It's inside and I will make it even with that one. So all I got to do now is put a block in there to hold it, and then it'll be ready. I've got a block of scrap wood and I have measured the other one. I made sure this one was level when I put it on, level front to back and side to side. So I am just making sure that this covers the space needed. I will screw it in and then hammer the box into it once I wire.